Winter snowstorms in the United States can be very dangerous for truck drivers. Stay alert and stay safe with My Truckin'. When snow is falling, visibility becomes low. Always keep your headlights on and watch the road carefully. Drive slowly during snowstorms. Sudden speed can cause accidents on slippery winter roads. Never brake suddenly on icy roads. Keep safe distance from other vehicles. Keep emergency supplies inside your truck. Water, food, and winter safety tools can save you. This duck firefighter mascot reminds you to drive carefully and stay safe on snowy roads. Night snowstorms are more dangerous. Drive slow and stay focused on the road. Snowstorms are powerful, but safety keeps you moving. Stay safe. Drive smart. My Truckin'.